Welcome to ExpressTime Solutions tutorial. Today I would like to show you the benefits of using the ExpressTime Mobile App for your employees. Your employees can download this at the Google Play Store or in the Apple App Store and search for ExpressTime Mobile. Once they download the app, they're able to log in using the company ID, their username and password that you will provide, and then hit login. Once an employee logs in, it takes them straight to their schedule for the day. If they are on their job, they're able to clock right in. They would just go and be able to click on the job that they're trying to clock into and say yes, and then it will check the coordinates and verify that they are within range that you have set for that building to be able to clock in and out. Once they clocked in, they can move on and the GPS coordinates is captured. They can also go to their building list. Once they go to their building list, if you allow them to order supplies, they're able to see that under the truck. She could click, or they could click on the supply truck, be ready to make an order for supplies that they're needing at their facility. This is just a request. This is sent in to who you have approved to receive these requests to make the deliveries. They put in the quantity that they're looking to order. Once they put the quantity, they can go to other products if there's not up there in their list, and they can put other instructions on maybe where to leave it or how to get into the building a certain way, and then they can submit that order. They can also come back and they can view the task schedules on what to do in the buildings on what days. Especially good for new people in the building. They're able to come in and see what their agenda is for that specific day and be able to get right to work. They can see the map to where they can get to the facility from the quickest and easiest way by clicking on the maps, and it will pull up where they are and get them to the job. Under the More tab, an employee can see their hours and they can see their schedule. If you allow them to see PTO, they can see their personal time off or paid time off. If you do not allow that in their user profile, you have unchecked that, so they will not be able to see. You also can see open shifts. This is any open shift that is available. And at this point, your employee can look at this and look at any given day by looking ahead up here. They can look at any schedules for that day, and it might be in a time range they can help, and they would just click on it to submit a request asking to fill this shift. And then you would approve it or not, and they would be able to be notified knowing that they have been approved to take that shift, and they can then help you fulfill the voids that you have in maybe some of your sites. And then you have the saved credentials. This is where they will come in and put in their company ID, username, and password. Hit the save credentials. That way, this will activate their fingerprint and facial recognition. So when they log in and out, it will be quick and simple for them to be able to just use the fingerprint or facial. Once again, this is the mobile for the employee. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it can benefit you and your business. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.